Everyone, in the foundation, next type of foundation is deep foundation. So deep foundations are those in which the depth of foundation is large as compared to the width, and the use of deep foundation is mostly on those area where the top of the soil have poor geotechnical properties or have very low load bearing capacity that the shallow foundation will fail. So we allow to enlarge the depth of the foundation up to the hard strata. So this is known as deep foundation. So deep foundation may be classified as a pile foundation, pier foundation, and well foundation. So what is pile foundation? Pile foundation is a type of foundation in which the load are taken to low level by mean of vertical member. Low level means up to the higher depth. So the pile may be made of timber, concrete, or steel. The pile foundation may be adopted when no firm bearing strata is available and load is uneven. It means the top of the soil is very weak. So the pile foundation is further divided on three categories: end bearing pile, friction pile, and compaction pile. So this classification is based on the mechanism of load transfer from the pile to the nearby soil. So the in end bearing pile, the their load is transferred through water subsoil to a suitable firm or bearing station where we found up to the level where the rock or hard strata is available. Friction pile. The friction piles are used to transfer the load to a depth of friction load carrying material. Means the length of a file generate a friction along with the soil, so the load the resist by the friction. The compaction pile, third is compaction pile. Compaction pile are used to compact loose granular soil, and these compaction pile are used to improve the load bearing capacity of the loose or soft soil. So it is a representation of different type of pile. First is end bearing pile, where we can say the depth of a pile is up to the hard strata. The figure V is friction pile, where the arrows show the friction generated on the surface of the pile. And the third is the compaction pile, where the load is applied on the top, then it will resist the load and transfer to the nearby soil. So the load carrying capacity in compaction pile will also depends on the strength of surrounding soil. The next is pier foundation, and the pier foundation consists of cylindrical column of large diameter to support and transfer large superimposed load to a firm strata below. So it's a diagram of the pier foundation. These foundations are generally used under a bridge, whether it's a metro bridge or normal highway bridge. Well foundation. The third is well foundation. It is also known as caisson, and the the well foundation are box-like structure which are sunk from the surface of either land or water to the desired depth. They are much larger than the pier foundation. Or the caisson foundations are used for major foundation work like bridge, pier, dock, large water front structure such as pump house. It's a diagram for well foundation where you can see the construction is going on of well foundation.